What you know about living on the top? Penthouse suites, looking down on the ops.
Come with me to clean out my car. I'm gonna see how their carpet shampoo thingies are, because supposedly they have the $2 carpet cleaner. So I need that for the back and the front. We could do the front too, depending on what the price is. I'm not trying to spend all my money. I have my little wipes. Okay, so I made it to the car wash, and they do have a foaming thing. It doesn't say how much that is. It's $3 to wash your car and $1.50 to vacuum. I'm riding by the car wash next to the gas station that doesn't do cash back. I'm about to go to Publix because I don't have time for this. And I need my car washed and cleaned out. So I just left Publix, got $10 worth of orders. We can go wash our car now. I need to find that microfiber towel. We made it to the car wash, and I am going to show you what my car looks like before I wash it. See? All the little poopy birds pooped on my car. Look at that. Freaking mess.
So, you make me so.
As y'all can see, the car wash took my money, so I'm gonna go to the other one.
Don't deny what you feel, let me undress you, babe. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. Don't deny what you feel, let me undress you, babe. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. You make me so. You make me so. You make me
Cleaning out my car, everything from the center console in the seats. These little white strips, I am going to detail them because they get dirty very easily. I wish my seat was all black, but okay, so we done soaked up the middle console. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll talk to you loves later. Bye. Y'all, look at the confirmation. A ladybug is on my car right after I wash it.
A test drive left them on the lot. Time is money, so I spent it on a watch. Hold on.